Hey, Matt from Electric Ones here again. Today we're going to answer the question, how much does a Tesla solar farm cost? Obviously that depends on a lot of factors, but to start with, let's assume we want to build a 1 megawatt solar farm. Next, assuming you're wanting to put in large solar arrays and battery storage, spoiler alert, you should be, we'll first look at how much the battery would cost. The Tesla Big Battery, aka the Hornsdale Power Reserve, which Tesla built in South Australia in 2017, was the world's largest lithium-ion battery at that time, at 129 megawatt hours and 100 megawatt output capacity. It cost around $50 million US. While that might sound pricey, it's reported to have saved $32 million by the end of 2018, including generating $800,000 for the battery owner in just 2 of the hottest days in summer, selling power back to the stretched grid at an eye-watering $11,200 per megawatt hour. In fact, it was so successful at stabilising the Australian power grid and has recovered so much of its initial cost already that it was then expanded in 2019 by roughly a further 50%. So what about the solar arrays? Well, according to the SEIA, the Solar Energy Industries Association, in the fourth quarter of 2020, utility-scale solar system pricing was between 78 cents and 91 cents per watt. So, times that by a million to get your 1 megawatt solar farm, and you're looking at between $780,000 and $910,000 for the installed solar panels and required equipment. This difference in price is down to whether you're going for fixed tilt solar panels or the more expensive but more efficient one-axis tracking panels. So for argument's sake, let's take the average cost of the two, $845,000. Now earlier we got that the Tesla Big Battery in Australia cost $50 million US for a peak 100 megawatt possible output with a total of 129 megawatt hours of energy stored. So for simplicity's sake, let's just divide that by 100 to get roughly what we'd need for our 1 megawatt solar farm. This gives us $500,000 for the battery for our farm. So that's $845,000 for our solar arrays, $500,000 for our large-scale battery storage, which brings us to $1,345,000 all up for our 1 megawatt solar farm. Again, these are just back of the napkin numbers, but still fun to take a look at. And above all else, there's no denying that the cost of solar and batteries are falling predictably each year and have been for many, many years. We're entering a golden age of renewable energy, which I believe will dramatically shift how humans use the soon-to-be super abundant and ultra low-cost energy. But that's a story for another day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're into all things Tesla, electric vehicles, renewable energy, and our ridiculously awesome future. Talk again soon.